Okay, it's going to be today's futures day trading video review for Thursday, August 24th, 2017 for Drummond Energy bands. Today, before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 46 quarter would be the line in the sand, and we said if we can pop the 50 above there or below, we could flush to about 33 and a half, 40. And you can see we hit those targets on the downside and to the upside. So in the room, we didn't have a setup for this in terms of the trade plan. Although while we were up here on this left chart, I was saying the market is very, very weak, and that there were certain reasons why there isn't a setup occurring in here, but we have a lot of resistance up here. And we also discussed that there would be an add-on setup for this kind of a day, which we don't get very often, but when it sets up, when it develops this way, we do not get a setup. We get weakness on the GPS, we get a wall, but it doesn't trigger a specific setup for us, so this new add-on will take that into account. So in the room I had mentioned this is, typically how tweaking the trade plan can be done with a new type of add-on. Now when we got down here, it was the same kind of thing I was discussing, that we're not strong enough to set up a certain trade here, but at the same time we've got a certain pattern developing down here that will be an add-on. We can use that to get in on the trades. But using the trade plan, there was no setups using the existing setups. Okay. Now, coming in to the end of our analyst room session, I had mentioned that this is not a setup, but this 46 area here is probably going to be resistance. So a good place to potentially get short, but again, it's not a setup. Using the new add-on, we'll be able to have a clearly defined rule to include that, rather than tweaking the trade plan. Anyway, if you have questions, send them to jb@drummenergybands.com. Next week we're going to be on holidays, and we'll see you back on Tuesday, September the 5th. But tomorrow we'll be doing a video. So stay tuned and listen. Hope your trading is going well. Thank you for your interest.